How you doing, guys? Want to do a quick close-up video of our 27-inch flex LED light bar. I know there's a bunch of pictures of it on the website. I wanted to do a detailed video showing you all the angles, the ins and outs of the light bar, describing exactly what you'll be getting. When you order this light bar, you get the light bar. Comes with a cigarette lighter plug, on and off switch, and pattern change switch. Along with the light bar, it has a total of 8 magnets. There's a track underneath, so you can adjust the magnet mounts to exactly where you want it on your vehicle. It has in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 modules. Each module has 6 LEDs available in multiple different colors, has many different flash patterns. Again, it's a thin light bar, not more than 2 inches thick, doesn't sit so high on the vehicle. You can remove the magnets, you could bolt it into your vehicle if you wanted to, or onto a headache rack. Again, this is our 27-inch Flex 6 light bar.